Alright guys, so this is my trekking bike. I went on a trip. I ended up with 2 flat tubes after the trip, so I'm going to try some sealant that I've used before that seemed to work pretty good. These tires are losing air pressure from a full pump in probably about 15 or 20 minutes. It's a pretty good sized leak. I had some flat tubes one day, and there was no bike shop open, and I was like, how do I solve this? And yeah, there was like a dollar store around. There's no bike shop open. I didn't really have the money to buy a name brand tube sealant, so I ended up trying some of this, and it actually worked pretty good. So yeah, I'll pump this up and spin the tire around and give it a little bit of time and see how it works out.